In the name of Allah, the Compassionate, the Merciful. A very good morning to all my brilliant students of grade 5. I welcome you all to your science class. I hope you all are good at health and learning new things on regular basis. This is the beginning of 12th week, and today I am going to start the first lesson of this week. In previous class we discussed friction, its advantages and disadvantages. Today, we know that friction is a force that can be produced even if the surfaces of two objects just touch each other. Friction stops, slows down, or makes it hard for objects to move. Friction between your shoes and the ground stops you from slipping. Friction helps cars to move forward without slipping on the road. Tires have threads on them which are designed to help them get a good grip on the road. Friction helps us to write. Rough surfaces have more friction than smooth surfaces. Since it creates heat, friction can create problems in machines. It also tends to wear things away, causing damage. Since friction has some disadvantages, it needs to be reduced. Today, I will explain 3 ways of reducing friction. As you can see on the screen, 3 common ways of reducing friction are polishing, lubricating, and streamlining. Let's discuss these methods of reducing friction in detail with the help of examples from our daily life. The first method used to reduce friction is polishing the surfaces. Smooth surfaces have less friction, so by smoothing or polishing the surfaces we can reduce friction. One common example of reducing friction by this method is the use of boric powder. It is used on carom board to reduce friction, so that the striker moves fast, sliding smoothly on the board. The second method of reducing friction is lubricating. Let me tell you about lubricants first. Lubricants are the chemicals which have an oily or greasy texture and help us to reduce friction between surfaces which are moving over each other. There are many kinds of oil and grease available in the market which can be used as lubricants. Mostly, lubricants are used in complex machines where parts of machine are moving over each other and are exposed to friction. Lubricants not only reduce friction, but also prevent parts of machines from wearing away. The third way of reducing friction is making the surface smooth and rounded. This special shape is called streamlined shape, and the method is called streamlining. Vehicles are designed like as so that the friction is reduced between the vehicles and the water or air they move. This shape also helps fish, ships, and boats swim easily in water facing reduced air and water friction. Similarly, aeroplanes, birds, and gliders use this shape to reduce air resistance. Swimmers also adapt streamlined shape to reduce water friction while swimming. This is all about streamlining. Please refer to page number 73 of your textbook. An incomplete paragraph is given on this page related to friction. Kindly use the given words and complete this paragraph. We will discuss this task during Zoom meeting. Please go through it once and note down your answers in a rough notebook. Let's discuss a question and find its answer together. The question is, what is the relationship between surface type and the amount of friction? I repeat, what is the relationship between surface type and the amount of friction? The answer is that the rough surfaces produce more friction. Smooth surfaces produce less friction. Last but not the least, the homework. You are requested to read textbook page number 73 thoroughly. Complete the given worksheet and write answer of the given short question in your notebook. This is all from my side. I will see you in the next class. Goodbye.